Hi, Liz and today we're going to be playing with Playdoh Kitchen. Just to tell you, I got this last year. I had the idea because I had nothing really to do today. So today we're going to be playing with Playdoh Kitchen. So I'll be cooking stuff. So today I'm going to be cooking stuff. So I like this because it makes noises like that. Like that. This flame makes noises. And like these are shapes you can use. And we also do have plates. Okay. We have some plates that have shapes under it too. So here's bread, and here's a red plate, and here's bacon and a sausage in a blue plate. And I have these do not have shapes under it. So and here's I have also a piece of meat, an egg, a fish, and some steak. And I also have some tongs. And I have a lot of Play-Doh. It's so much that it might take a while to get it all in. So much Play-Doh. Okay, we have this little one. I can't really see it. Okay, here's all my Play-Dohs. I'm gonna make an egg with some bacon. So I'm gonna use this color. So I'm gonna roll up this Play-Doh and make it into a ball and put it in the middle. I need a little bit more Play-Doh. So I'm making an egg right now. I'm using the yolk. I'm making the yolk right now. Okay, I got the yolk done, and now I'm going to do the egg white. So I'm almost finished with it. Guys, my egg won't come out. That is so bad. I think I just found out what I'm supposed to do. I think I should put... Again, I keep forgetting. I need to get this, and I need to take it and put it in. Guys, sorry it's taking a very long time to get my egg. It's like so horrible. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know if I can actually do this because I didn't do it in a very long time playing with Play-Doh. Now I'm going to put it on the stove. when that's cooking, I'm going to get the bacon ready. I'm going to take my red. I should flip it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My profile is falling apart, guys. I should put it on a plate. Now I need to put it. Now I'm going to cook my bacon. Oh, there we go. It's cooking. So now I'm going to flip my bacon now. No, it happened again. I think my bacon's really good. I have to rebuild my bacon. Okay, I made my eggs and bacon right here. I made my eggs and bacon right here. And I think 1 to 10, what do you think would you rate this? Eggs and bacon. This eggs and bacon. Please tell me the truth. So now I'm going to make something else now. think I should make some steak.
You can taste it. Anyone taste it. No one trusts what you say.
I'm going to now make some steak.
Stephanie's offering to invite us
Just to
over.
tell you, if you hear something from the background, that is just Raven's home. I didn't turn off the TV.
I knew this was Raven's house.
Can you get this cider?
Where is it?
This is hanging down.
Okay. Now,
Couldn't read that.
I don't know if that's still good. That pasta's coming first.
so, sorry if this is a super long video. I'm not really that good at with Playdoh because it's kind of hard for me to get a play with it. Because like I usually try to get all the cracks, so I try to get every single piece Playdoh. So I'm sorry if I'm taking a long time making all this stuff. It's like my first thing I made. It took a long time. I hope this doesn't break also.
Yeah, you know, if I would have said that the floor was damaged here, which it kind of is, like, he asked me if it was damaged because he looked at it before it was open, and it is kind of leaky. I said, no, it isn't, but I mean, really, if that was the case, it probably would have been.
They would have gotten upgraded to an old.
No! It broke a little bit. No. Uh-oh. Sorry, I'm off camera right now because my stick just broke and it took a long time to make it. sorry that my steak is so bad because it keeps falling apart. I won't be doing the rating because it just keeps falling apart. This is what my steak looks like. Garbage. So, I'm going to do one more thing and then I'll end the video. I'm going to make soup. I'm going to take my orange Play-Doh and put it in my carrot mold. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I burned my finger. On my steak stove, okay? I just need some green. Just put it in my pot. Throw that in the pot. And I'm gonna get a mushroom and make a mushroom. Just to tell you, these are some ingredients that I wouldn't put in, that I wouldn't really actually want to put in, but I just wanted to because you're just playing with Play-Doh and it's fun. And guys, if you ever... Okay, whatever, just don't care about that, what I actually just said. Now I just need to put some mushroom in. I have glittery Play-Doh, so I'm going to have to use glittery. Guys, don't judge me because I got it last year. So I'm using glittery Play-Doh. For the water. I'm going to use my roller. Where's my roller? No, that's not it. Ah, my roller. I don't see where I put my roller. Uh-oh. No, my roller. Of course not. Why am I so weird? That's fine now. Again. Well, I hope you're liking this video because I just need, I think I want to make one more of each thing. So now I'm making the basil I'm throwing in, and another mushroom. I'm also going to throw in my pot. Oh, my finger! Got burned again. I'm going to throw that in also. And I'm going to cook it on the stove. I'm going to clean up because I'm going to be cleaning up when it's cooking because I don't want it to be too messy when I end the video. Where's my green? Here it is. I'll take it off. I'll leave it right here.
So what's the status on them? Are you giving up on them?
Alright.
I'm eating some. You want some, Will?
Of what?
These noodles?
I guess I'll have some. I'll try them. If you say they're
They're
alright.
really overdone.
I'll put it on the plate.
Your insurance rates skyrocket and there's such so small you could fix it with a pen. How about using that pen to sign up for new insurance instead?
Regardless of accident forgiveness, Liberty Mutual won't raise their rates because of the first accident.
Okay, so here's my soup I made. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Lois Flash. I hope you have a great day today. And well, it'll just take 1 second to turn off the camera. Bye.